Right, this is no to the Shop I channel. We are here at Lucas Moripa Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Stellenbosch 1. My brother, how do you feel about the game today?
I feel blessed, way too blessed.
Very, very good.
Like this game was very, very wonderful.
Yeah.
The players were so energetic.
Yeah.
Like I have a complaint about Maseko, but then that one is for later, not today.
Not today, yeah.
Today we are happy, so we should continue being happy.
What about Maseko? What's happening with him?
Maseko is so selfish.
Yeah,
He's a good player.
yeah,
but
good, yeah.
very, very selfish.
But I think it's not your material. Because the last is a ball, yeah, Shusha and piano, and you want to go to
Nah, okay, like I understand. But like Bola Italang is sharp, it's fast, but then not at this state of a game.
Yeah, yeah.
See,
Yeah.
Maseko is very, very good.
Very good, yeah.
He can play very. That guy owns the pitch, if I can say. Temba's one is the best, but then Maseko is the best for me.
Yeah. No,
Otherwise, today,
yeah, very good. Do you think you will beat Pirates on the 7th?
obvious. Like there's no doubt about it. Obvious.
Yeah.
Sundowns always.
Kabuye.
Kabuye.
Thanks, man. All the best, yeah?
Sure.